What's up, everyone? Thank you for joining me today for this balancing yoga flow for beginners. It will be challenging, and if you fall, that's totally okay. You have to fall to get better. My name's Gillian, and I'll be guiding you through this practice. So we're going to get right into it. We'll get started in tabletop position. So your shoulders will be over your wrists, and your hips will be over your knees. We'll come into cat-cow. Lift your chest, tilt your tailbone up, inhale cow. Exhale cat. Arch your spine, tuck your tailbone under, press through your hands. Inhale cow. Exhale cat. Just keep doing this at your own breath. Maybe make some circles with your hips. Make this organic. You could do some shoulder rolls, whatever feels good to you today. If you're doing circles, switch directions. And come back to center. Extend your right arm towards the front of the room and your left leg towards the back of the room. Flex your back foot. Take a deep breath here. Engage your abs. Take a deep breath. On your exhale, pull your elbow and your knee together. Inhale, extend. Exhale, pull your elbow and your knee together. Just keep doing this at your own breath. And one more time. And this time, on your exhale, you're going to drop your right hand down while keeping your left leg lifted. And then drop your left toes to the mat with your left leg long. Kickstand your right leg. Bring it out to a 45-degree angle for supported side plank. Lift your left arm up. Take a deep breath. Open your chest. Inhale. And exhale. Lower your left arm down. Unswivel your right leg and step your left foot between your hands. If you need to come up onto your left fingertips, that's totally okay. And lift your arms up by your ears. Press through your hips. Lift your chest. Take a deep breath. And drop your right hand down to the inside of your foot for a twist. Open your chest. Maybe inhale, open up a little bit more. Keep sinking through your hips. Drop your left hand down for downward facing dog. Tuck your back toes under. Step your left foot back. Lift your hips. Spread your fingers out on the mat. You can walk out your dog, pressing one heel down at a time. Maybe sway your hips from side to side. Take a deep breath. And come back onto your knees to tabletop position. We'll switch sides. So this time, extend your left arm out towards the front of the room and your right leg back. Engage your abs. Take some deep breaths. Flex your right foot. On your exhale, bring your knee and elbow together, hovering them over the mat. Inhale, extend, and exhale, hover. Keep repeating this at your own breath, inhaling as you extend and exhale as you hover. And one more time. Extend your arms and your leg back. Drop your left hand down. Swivel your left foot to a 45-degree angle. Drop your right foot down for supported side plank. Lift your right arm up towards the sky. Open your chest. Take a deep breath. And drop your right hand down. Unswivel your left foot and pull your right foot between your hands. If you need to come up onto your right fingertips, that's totally okay. Bring your arms up by your ears. Sink through your hips. Inhale, lift your chest. You can do a little back bend. Drop your left hand down for a twist. Open your chest. Stretch your right arm towards the sky. Keep sinking through your hips. Take a deep breath here. Drop your right hand down. Step back to downward facing dog. Tuck your back toes under. Lift your hips. Swivel your hips from side to side. You can walk out your dog. And then press both heels down. Slowly walk your feet forward for standing forward fold. Keep a deep bend in your knees. Grab onto opposite elbows and sway side to side. You can shake your head out, yes and no. And then drop your hands down. Slowly, one vertebrae at a time. Rise up all the way. Bring your arms overhead. Lift your chest for extended mountain. Maybe add a little back bend. Inhale. And exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Forward fold. Plant your hands. Step back into plank. Drop your knees down. And come all the way down onto your belly. Your hands will be underneath your shoulders. Lift your chest for cobra pose. Keep pressing your thighs into the mat. And lower down. Inhale, lift, cobra. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift, cobra. And exhale, lower down. Tuck your toes under for downward facing dog. Take a deep breath here. Step your feet forward for standing forward fold. Inhale, rise up, extended mountain, and bring your hands to your heart. We'll come into tree pose. I'll face you for this one so you can see me clearly. You'll put your weight into your right foot, and there's lots of variations for tree pose. You can do a kickstand by leaving your toes on the mat and then just bring your heel onto your ankle, and that's totally okay. Just stay like this. Another option is to bring your foot to your calf, or maybe grab onto your foot and bring your foot to your thigh. And you can bring your hands to your heart. One trick to help your balance is to find a spot to stare at that isn't moving. This helps a lot. Take a deep breath. If you want, you can bring your hands up to the sky. Whatever you're feeling today. Take a deep breath here. And bring your hands back to your heart. Lower your left foot down. Maybe sway side to side, just regaining your balance and coming back to neutral. And then put the weight into your left foot this time. You can do that kickstand with your toes on the mat. and your ankle on your heel on your ankle. Maybe bring your foot up to your calf, or maybe your foot up to your thigh. Whatever you want to do, find that spot to stare at that isn't moving. Even I still sway in this. And again, it's totally okay if you fall. We all have to go through a learning curve, and we all start out as beginners. Maybe bring your hands up to the sky, whatever you want to do. And your body isn't equal on both sides, so you might fall on this side and not fall on the other side. Just go with the flow. Take a deep breath here. Bring your hands back to your heart and lower your right foot down. You can sway side to side again. And come back to neutral. We'll come into dancer's pose. So for dancer's pose, you'll put the weight into your right foot again, and you'll bring your knees together. Bend your left knee and bring your left foot up behind you. You can stay like this, just having your balance on your right foot. That's totally okay. Or you can grab onto your foot with your left hand. Bring your right arm up towards the sky and tilt forward. Find that spot to stare at that isn't moving. This is a pretty tricky one, so it's totally okay if you fall. And I'll rise up, sway side to side. We'll switch sides. So this time, put the weight in your left foot, bring your knees together, and bend your right leg. Maybe grab onto your foot. I'll turn sideways so you can see me. If you want, bring your left arm up towards the sky, and option to tilt forward. Find that spot to stare at that isn't moving. And rise up, sway side to side. Don't be too hard on yourself. These poses aren't easy, so just go with the flow. Take a deep breath here. And rise up, extended mountain. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise up, extended mountain. Bring your hands back to your heart. We'll come into Malasana pose. So for Malasana pose, you'll bring your feet about mat width apart and lower down into a squat. Your toes will be turned out, and bring your hands to your heart. If that doesn't work for you, you can always grab onto your mat. So whatever feels good. If you're up on your toes, that's totally fine. So do whatever feels good. If you want, you can add a twist by dropping your left hand down and bring your right arm up towards the sky. Take a deep breath here. And switch sides. Drop your right hand down. Bring your left arm up. And bring your hands back to heart center. Come down onto your bottom. Bring your hands behind you and just windshield wiper your knees from side to side. Take a deep breath. And then straighten your legs out in front of you for seated forward fold. So bring your arms up by your ears and fold forward. Maybe shake your head out from side to side. Loosen up your neck. And rise up. Come down onto your back, however you can. Hug your knees into your chest and take a deep breath. will start to cool down. So bring the bottoms of your feet together for butterfly pose. You can cactus your arms, opening up your chest, or bring one hand to your belly and one hand to your heart. Feel yourself breathing. Whatever you feel like doing today. Maybe close your eyes. Lift your knees. Drop your knees to the right as you look over your left hand. Cactus your arms. If this doesn't feel okay for your neck, you can look up at the ceiling or the sky. You might be feeling a stretch along your side. Lift your knees and switch sides. Drop your knees to the left as you look over your right hand, maybe up at the ceiling, whatever you want to do. Lift your knees. Stretch out long. Happy baby pose. Hug your knees towards your armpits. Grab onto the bottoms of your feet and rock side to side. You can give your feet a little massage here. We don't give our feet enough attention. And then extend your legs out on the mat. Bring your arms out alongside you for final Shavasana. We'll be here for about a minute, but stay here as long as you can. Start to wake yourself up. Wiggle out your toes, wiggle out your fingers. Stretch your arms overhead. And then roll over onto your side. Take a deep breath on your side. And when you're ready, come up into a comfortable seat. Bring one hand to your belly and one hand to your heart. Take a deep breath, maybe the deepest breath of the whole class. And bring your hands to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me for this balancing yoga flow today. Just stick with it. I know balancing can be a little bit frustrating, but you will get better. Namaste.